My name is Zayla. I'm a year 2 in construction at CCIC.
My name is Jack Adams. I'm a sophomore at Cherokee Trail High School.
I'm Riley Newmeyer. I'm a year 2 student.
So when you first get into year 1, you kind of take you through the steps, teach you how to read a tape measure and do all the small things, and then you start taking on these big projects.
We do everything from framing to drywall to
electrical. We do
plumbing,
tool safety, and
carpentry is probably the one we work with the most for sure.
Foundation work to
drywall. We just installed windows.
So it's fun to learn the different skills that you may need.
The whole thing, everything. So we started these back a couple months ago. We have 5 tiny homes.
It means a lot. It's something I'm proud that I get to work on.
It means everything to me. When I came here in 8th grade on a tour, I saw them building these homes, and I just knew right off the bat that I was like, that's what I want to do.
It actually is providing a home for somebody.
Knowing that they're going out and they're helping people is just really, it warms your heart a little bit, you know?
It's really great. It's super positive. I know I can always go and ask Rao or Dosky or to guide us any question that I have.
My favorite thing would have to be the team I get to work with of wonderful students, and they're really good at what they do.
It's like one big family.
Mr. Guidus has helped me out with CNC machining, so it's all really cool, and yeah, I really enjoy it.
It's a lot of laughs, and it's awesome. A lot of people think that coming in here and being one of the only females is intimidating, or maybe the boys don't really treat you the same, but I mean, I come in and I do the same amount of work, if not more than some of the other guys, and you earn your spot just like everyone else, and they treat you as such, so it's great.
I want to go into welding, so I want to either go to welding school or get an apprenticeship somewhere.
After I graduate, I'm planning on going maybe to Branson Pittman, somewhere around there, starting on a carpentry apprenticeship, and then see what happens from there. Growth, because through the entire process, all I'm doing is growing. Because I came here, and a lot of the other kids, some of them already do construction, but I came in knowing nothing, and now I'm here waiting for this to be the career for the rest of my life. I love it, and I've just been growing this entire time.